When a freight train carrying automotive parts needs to travel from Detroit to Los Angeles, it rarely stays on a single railroad the entire journey. Instead, it moves through a complex network of interconnections called the interchange system. Every day, thousands of railcars change hands between different railroads at interchange points across North America. This invisible handoff system is what keeps freight moving efficiently across the continent's 6 Class 1 railroads. The North American rail network operates through 6 major Class 1 railroads: BNSF, Union Pacific, CSX, Norfolk Southern, Canadian National, and Canadian Pacific Kansas City. Each railroad owns and maintains specific territories and routes. When freight needs to travel beyond one railroad's network, it must be transferred to another carrier through the interchange system. These transfers happen at designated interchange points where different railroads' tracks connect. Interchange points are strategically located facilities where rail cars are physically transferred between carriers. Major interchange hubs include Chicago, Kansas City, Memphis, and New Orleans. At these locations, incoming trains are broken apart, and individual rail cars are sorted based on their final destinations. Cars destined for territories served by other railroads are grouped together and handed off to the appropriate carrier through a formal exchange process. The interchange process involves detailed paperwork and electronic data exchange. Each railcar transfer requires documentation, including the car's identification number, contents, weight, hazmat classifications if applicable, and destination information. Railroads use standardized systems to track these transfers and ensure proper billing. The receiving railroad takes full responsibility for the railcar and its cargo from the moment of interchange acceptance. Interchange agreements between railroads establish the terms for these transfers, including handling procedures, liability arrangements, and compensation structures. These agreements specify interchange fees that railroads pay each other for handling cars on their networks. The rates are typically based on factors like distance traveled, car type, and commodity being transported. Some agreements also include reciprocal switching arrangements in certain territories. Different types of interchange serve various operational needs. Online interchange occurs between railroads with directly connected tracks. Offline interchange requires trucks or other rail carriers to move cars between non-connected railroads. Unit train interchange involves entire trains moving between carriers, while manifest interchange handles individual rail cars mixed into general freight trains. Each type has specific operational procedures and timing requirements. Timing is critical in the interchange system. Railroads coordinate their operations to minimize delays during transfers. Cars typically have specific cutoff times for interchange acceptance, and delays can cascade through the network. Modern rail logistics providers use real-time tracking systems to monitor railcar movements through multiple interchanges, providing shippers with visibility into their freight's progress across different railroad networks. Understanding the interchange system is essential for anyone shipping by rail or working in rail logistics. This knowledge helps optimize routing decisions, anticipate transit times, and troubleshoot potential delays in multimodal shipments. For businesses looking to leverage rail transportation effectively, partnering with experienced rail logistics providers who understand these interchange complexities is crucial. Learn more about rail logistics strategies at steelwheellogistics.com.